If the ulama have been given the authority, then isn't it unfair to call adherence to a madhab as being blind following, because they have already studied and investigated all the texts of Quran, Hadith? It is very important point. You're missing one point. This is where all the people are missing one point. The poor people, ulama, they study. Poor people, ulama, they work hard. Poor people, ulama, they spend all their life. Poor people, ulama, they don't have the luxurious life as the people are having. And at the end, when it comes to the following of the religion, we people are just enjoying and saying, okay, this alim is fighting with that alim and that alim is fighting with that. So these ulamas, what have we done? We have done nothing. We have just followed them blindly. And we are not doing the research as even the 1% equal to this ulama's research. Definitely any alim who is a scholar, he has studied and he has the ability to find what is right and what is wrong. But when he invites you to Hanafi madhab, if he invites you to Shafi madhab, if somebody invites you to Salafi madhab or Barilvi madhab, don't blame this ulama. If they are wrong, it's between them and Allah. But why they are inviting you people? That's the missing point. Because you people are being jahil, you are trying to be ignorant, and you are asking for the ready-made food. Like for example, you don't want to cook in your house, so you spend £5 in the chicken and chip shops and you get the ready-made food. So that whether the food is healthy or not, how it is prepared in the kitchen is not your concern. Whether it is the ingredients are fresh or not, or it could be last week food, it is just recooked or rewarmed like that and it brought to you. But still you don't have any concern. You are hungry, you want a ready-made food. So this is how we do. But healthy person will not just rely on the chicken and chips of the shops. If he thinks or she thinks that, alhamdulillah, for my health I have to eat healthy food, then that person will do research on the healthy food, will learn how to cook healthy food, or even look for the places where the healthy food is properly cooked or prepared. So this is how with regards to the food. Same thing with regards to the religion. Now we are sitting in our house and thinking, oh, Salafis are right, Hanafis are wrong. And no, Hanafis are wrong, Salafis are wrong, and Hanafis are right. Shafis are right. So why? Who gave you that authority? Who gave you that? Because you think you want to hear something which you want to hear from Salafis, so you get them and you think, okay, Salafis are right. Then you blame the Hanafis. And if you listen to Hanafis and you want to hear what you want to hear from them, then you think they are right. So this is how. But I say, if a scholar is inviting somebody to any particular madhab, then why should we follow someone blindly? We are not saying La ilaha illallah Hanafi Rasulullah, La ilaha illallah Salafi Rasulullah. We don't say that. We say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So if somebody invites you to one particular madhab, open your brain, open your mind, be neutral. Say, why I have to be invited to some particular madhab? Open. And this is it should trigger your head. And why these ulamas are doing? Because they know the capacity of the person. They know the ability of the person. When you are praying in the masjid and you are asking a question to Imam, definitely Imam will not give you the scholarly answer. He will give you the answer based on your understanding, your level of understanding. And that could be, if he is Hanafi or he thinks you are Hanafi, then he will give you the answer based on that. And he will say, according to Hanafi, this is the answer. According to Shafi, this is the answer. Like that. So, bottom line is that ulamas, they do their job. They spend their life, mashallah. And they invite the people to the truth. But people are not willing to take the truth. So, they have no choice except to invite them to one particular sect. Which is, again, I am not agreeing. It's wrong. If they are doing it deliberately, they will be answerable. Every alim has to invite people to Quran and Sunnah, regardless of any school of thought.